What's going on, guys? Mike from LA1 here. It's time for our traditional 4th of July fireworks. We're going to be firing some fireworks throughout the year like we did last year. Alright, let's turn the lights off and take care of it. Car. Alright, take a look and see what we got. Let's see. Alright, I think we know what to do now, and that is to go to the other bedroom and take a look what's going on over there. Well, what do you know? I actually found the fireworks. They're on this side the whole time. Go figure. Oh, see, there we go. There we go. Things are getting good. Yeah, join me tomorrow when I do some actual video gameplays. Oh, here we go. We got some from over there. There we go. Now we're talking. Oh. Yep, there goes the car alarm. Oh, there we go. We got one way over there. Oh, there we go. We got more coming up over there. Oh, we got double. Oh, we got a couple more over the hair. Man, we got a lucky look at the draw here. Oh, here we go. Got more over there. There goes car alarms again. Alright. We're definitely doing a good job on the firework draws this year. Oh, there's a big one. There we go, boys. There we go. Right behind the palm tree. There we go. Got more over there. Oh, another car alarm going off. It seems to be a running gag here. Oh, here we go. Oh, more fireworks. More fireworks. I wish this room wasn't in an angle. That way I could see which ones are going anywhere. But either way, you get the fireworks, people. It is a Mike from LA1 tradition. Oh! Oh, hello. We have to... Oh, here we go. Now we're talking business here. And that's it for those. Aww. Oh, we got some small ones going over there. Oh, got some ones here. Oh, here we go. Oh, we got big ones going on over there. There we go. We're getting something good here. And that's it. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'll keep my eyes open, enjoy the fireworks, people, and oh, by the way, just to confirm, my next day in life, WWE one will be August 8th at Honda Center. And hopefully by then we should get some clarification of if LA's getting a pay-per-view or not. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I think we're getting sort of close to the grand finale here, folks. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. We're getting a double axe here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, hello. Oh, hold up. Woo! There goes another car. Wait, that's the same car. That's the same beeping car. What do you want me to do, people? Hello. Oh, and uh-oh. Someone must have blown themselves up to bits. There we go. This is getting good. Oh. Oh, double duty here. Alright. Now this is going to top the one we had last year. Oh, let's see what these people are doing. Are those tiny ones? Oh, we got to interrupt them for a moment. And oh, we got a little show here. Whoa! Seriously! Okay, no drinking and drinking game. If anyone's car alarm goes off during the fire, the rest of the video, take a swig. And really, a flare? Is that the best you can come up with? Seriously, that's almost as bad as the... Oh, a blue flare, that's original. Oh, hello. Really, sonic flare. Alright. Oh, hello, we got some more ones over there. Oh, we got... Hello. Hello, there we go. And that's it for those. I could have... Oh! Alright, take a swig. Oh, that was a big one. I don't know who shot that one, but... That was good. That was perfect. Hope that's the thumbnail of this video. Hello, we got some good ones. Got some good ones over here. Alright guys, so I think that's gonna be what's gonna be left, because I don't think we're gonna see any major ones. I think those were probably the major ones we're probably going to get, unless these people spoke too soon. I think we're probably just gonna cut it here. And, oh, spoke too soon again! Oh my god, we're really getting lucky with the fireworks draw here, folks. Oh man, look at that. And oh, we missed it. So over here, let me get it back over there. Oh. Whoa! Awesome! Alright, I think we're probably going to end it up right here. Because we're not going to get anything major. So, hope you guys enjoyed your 4th of July. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with some WWE gameplays as well as the premiere of my Universe mode. Good night, everybody.